Moving to Alabama, I got the drama. I smack you in the face with a motherfucking hammer. I'm sitting in Houston, Texas, one of the best. Got a necklace across my necklace, a diamond on my chest. I'm like Superman, impenetrable, and I'm deadly. Riding inside of a Chevy, I break you just like a levee. Get disconnected, don't disrespect the click. You get smacked in the face with my dick, and I grip like a Nintendo stick. And I spit lots of loogies, I hit you inside of your booty. I'm relaxing, I'm swimming, backstroking inside of a jacuzzi. Nothing that you can do would ever stop me from blowing up. Cause every day, you know I gotta have a show, and they showing up. Pulling up on top of a bottle, having sex with a model, riding on top of my motorcycle, and I'm going full throttle because I'm a instigator. Duct tape you inside of the room, smacking motherfuckers in the face with a broom, cause I'm a instigator. And ain't nothing you could do would ever stop me. I'm taking a lot of shots, these motherfuckers think I work for the paparazzi. Yeah, don't ever try to tell me that I'm never gonna make it. Look at your face, you a mistake, bitch. I never gotta fake it, cause I'm never an imitator. And you already know that I'm sitting inside of the elevator, I'm breathing like Darth Vader. And you wanna go against me, and I'm a smacking a motherfucker while I'm just hanging from a tree. Like I'm a slave, I'm a renegade, and I've never been afraid. I'm thirsty, and I need to spit out some fucking lemonade. I'm like Johnny Cage, punch you inside of your balls with this green shit. You never seen it, I'm getting right in between it. I'm flying straight to Venus on top of my rocket. I got a lot of money inside of my pocket, and me losing has never been an option. I'm always dropping a lot of atomic bombs. You going against me, Pokemon Go, I catch them all.